everyone. Today we'll install Chromebook OS Pack and also fix the issues that we regarding face during this process. So first you need to reboot into developer mode, and there are different combinations. You can check your model and make combination and make it.
Can do the thing that is like plug in your USB, click get started, and here you choose your model. If you know the model number, uh, like a nickname, then use that nickname, or else you can click select and from this manufacturer and download the files that we provide, the updated version. Then you have to erase from the recovery first, and then you click on this use local image. In that local image, you go to the download file that you have downloaded and choose that local image. And after that, click plug in your USB and click continue. Okay, wait to download this custom thing is go to the link I provide or just go to our blog like Celltronix WordPress.com, and here you have in the search book type Chrome. Once you type it, press enter, and there you go, Chrome OS download. Click on it, and there are a list of Chrome. You can find it. Click download, and just choosing the list. Okay, either search your model here or from the list you can find. But you have to choose the latest version. Like in this case, you can find the latest version on the top, and for this recovery image, you can choose the latest version. So there you go. This is how you can download them.
USB. You can make a USB by Chrome utility. You can download it and plug the USB, and we already submit the process. So search it there. After that, connect this USB here, and it will start installing this Chrome OS. So what we have facing an issue after installation, it will show an error that your Chrome version is a little bit older. So how to fix that? First, let it install. An error comes, so I will show you. There you go. There is an error that is displayed after 100% installation. So how to fix this error? Go to your PC and download the latest version. How to download it? I'll provide the link in the description below. You can download after setting your make and model Samsung, and you have other version for your version. Own make. After that, model. You just boot not for the USB, and so as you can see, if you have Samsung here,
A few
the issue is
moments
resolved.
later.
Let it install. I'll show you there is no message after installation from this time. It will take a little bit moment, and there you can see it's 100% done. So just follow the wizard and just do the updates that it requires, and do those things that are relevant from this. As you can see, our Chromebook is done, and we will show you the version and update. If you are new to our channel, kindly like, subscribe, share, and if you have any queries, just go to comments.